Wagwan viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing set, you see me I say. Hope everybody have a blessed day today, I don't know the thing, you see me I say. So they will talk about Alkaline today, you see me I say, Aidonia and Govana. You don't know what them two artists they collab, but they're not normal. You see me I say, two dogs them have a wicked chemistry, you don't know. Before we get into the review, please consider like, subscribe, share, comment, you see me I say. Right, so we jump right in a review, you don't know. We'll kick it off with Aidonia and Govana. You don't know, them man have multiple collabs in the past. As you know, a song like Yeah Man, you don't know, Me a Day Breeze, songs like Charter Flight, as you know, I say, whole heap of collabs, as you know, I say, no, the man them have Earthquake, something for the girl them, as you know, I say, something for the girl them dance to, you don't know the thing. We'll jump right in a review, no man.
Earthquake. But today I make your head shake. Back it up and make you boom like your world trade.
Don't know, Governor kick it off, you see me, I say, man, I see how my girl shake up that, no man, you see me, I say, Earthquake, no man. You don't know, make the body shake, no man. Yo, people, you don't know a second song this me here from here start, you see me, I say, name, a titled Earthquake, you see me, I say, you don't know Stark Ashley, you don't know she's a female artist, you see me, I say, you don't have two male artists now, Japan name Earthquake. You don't know a dancer can nice up back, actually, you see me, I say, you don't know, we are the type of person where into the more dancing type of song, you see me, I said the vibe, you see me, I said the song of a vibe, and this song, you know the girls them I go crazy for it, you see me, I said TikTok I got burn up.
Yeah, use up a muscle vibrate. Yeah, that your big foot and a size it.
Mama, use up the muscle vibrate, I want to you, man. Yo, people, go check out the song, no, man, you see me, I say, don't know, I don't know featuring Governor, I don't know, depend on Governor page right now, you see me, I say, that. I could jump right over to Alkaline side now, you see me, I say, don't know, I see dog drop a song, you see me, I say, Mad Love, you don't know that drop what day, you see me, I say, dog gonna make a post, you don't know, vendetta people don't know, say, oh, Alkaline go to work, you see me, I say, you don't know, the fans them understand him, that I want thing with vendetta fans them, you see me, I say, them understand the artist, you see me, I say, and that's a great thing about it. You see me, I say, so as I can see on the screen, you see me, I say, dog post a picture up on Instagram first, you don't know. Dog being active on the gram, you don't know Alkaline never really active at first, but the dog get more active differently. You see me, I say no joke about that. The dog post the same picture on YouTube, you see me, I say. The dog post and caption it, this a pray for all our wish come true. Hashtag Mad Love, you see me, I say that's a line from the song Mad Love. So obviously, well, even though you can't study Alka, you don't know the man go to work, but to be honest, to home see it, a Mad Love video. You see me, I say maybe drop today, maybe drop later on tomorrow, I don't know, but you don't know. Look out for something, you don't know. You gotta get something from the artist, you see me, I say a video or something else, you see me. But to be honest, I feel like it's Mad Love visual, you see me, I say, you don't know. Yeah, man, leave a comment, tell me on the thing, you don't know the thing. Check out the song, Aidonia and Govana, I don't know. Leave a comment, tell me on the thing, just like I can go. I'm out.